Welcome to the study professor, Department of CSC, Government College of Engineering, Sengipati, Tanjavur. So in this video, just I am going to map a problem statement with the help of abstract classes and methods. So we know that for abstract classes, we are unable to create an object and also it will be act as a base class. So let us to have the problem statement. So the abstract vegetable class has three subclasses. Always to please to try to understand if you want to create abstract classes, it must to have an inheritance hierarchy. Then only we are able to create it. Okay, so that is the abstract class. That is the name is called as a vegetable. There are three subclasses. Is that is a potato, brinjal, and tomato. So write a program which demonstrate how to establish this class hierarchy. So here just I can show it now that here the class hierarchy is the name of the class is vegetable. So from that there is a hierarchy we have. So this is the hierarchy. Just a minute, I can finish it. So there are three subclasses. One subclass is potato. Another one is not brinjal. Another one is tomato. Okay, so I mean to declare one instance variable of type string that indicates the color of the. So there is a one data member we need to define that is called the color. So data member, color of the vegetable. So create and display the instance of this object. It means that we are going to create a instance of this object and try to display the color. So this is a simple application we have. First of all, we need to create a class for a vegetable. So from that we have to define one data member to define the color. So normally the color to be represented in alphanumeric way so that it will be represented in string. Then there are three subclasses we need to define. One is a potato, brinjal, and tomato. So just I am going to create one new class. So I am going to create a class vegetables. So here there is a one string variable we must to define that is called as a color. So class, I am going to create a three class of classes potato, so next one is brinjal, then I am going to say tomato. These are the three classes we need, but these are all derived from the base class that is called vegetables. So this is the name of the class. So vegetables. So it extends from vegetables because it is an inheritance hierarchy. So that always the inheritance hierarchy represented by the keyword extends. So extends and vegetables. Okay. So for these classes, we need a single entry point. So just main its object is creator. The main function state means that main function is included. So now we have going to create an object for these classes potato, brinjal, and tomato. Okay. So now the important thing is so color.java. So let us have that. I'm going to define the color. But here there are different ways we are going to define a color. We can use either constructor or maybe we can use input any function method, or maybe we can use this kind of method. We can define it. So here I am going to use constructor to define the color value. So we know that the color of the potato is yellow. Just I am going to give a random color. I am not going to match with the exact colors and all. Brinjal. So we know that the class name and function name is same, then it is called as a constructor. So here just I'm going to define color as blue. So then I'm going to create another one more constructor for tomato class. So this is a color equal to, so this is red. Okay, so now the concept is over. Just we need to create it. Just to, we can check the problem statement once again. The last line is create and display the instance of this object. It means that we are going to create an instance of this object and to try to display the value of this means the value of this instance variable. So that is the meaning. So I'm going to display it so that if you want, we can create a one method, but actually it is not mandatory to create abstract method inside of this class. So void display. So this is abstract method so that it will be overridden in all the derived classes. So void display. Even I mean you can't finish within only single class. You must to override in all the methods. So println fashion color name equal to the same, maybe the same definition is repeated, or maybe you can use a different definitions. The function definition depends on the corresponding classes. So here just my expectation is I want to display. So simply I'm going to display the color of your every the color of your every vegetable. So now the display is over. So now just try and compile. So we know that if you are including abstract method inside of the class, it also must be an abstract. But from the problem statement itself, we can say that. So we say that it is an abstract class. So then we have to create an object for every classes. For example, here just I'm going to create an object for only one class that is called tomato. That is on our choices. So new tomato. So then just I'm going to display the value of the color, the value of the instance variable. Now I'm going to test it whether my program is correct. Data, and so just waiting for the compilation to finish. There is no error. Just I'm going to run it. Yeah, sorry, I just wrongly compiled. Sorry, Java. So there is an error is called as potato. So invalid method. Yeah, is the reason is the class name is capital letter, so that here it is a small. So that it says an error message. It is not a constructor, so that it will be treated as a method, so that it shows that the return method is not found. Means the return type is not found. So there is no error. Just I'm going to run it. So that it display the color name is called red because I created an object only for a tomato. So that even if you want, you can create an object for all things like potato and brinjal. Potato. I'm going to create an object for the potato now. So same way I'm going to use brinjal. But there is an object name need to be changed. Brinjal. So object name is changed. So simply by using that object, we can able to access the property of that class. Just I'm going to compile now. So no error. Just I'm going to run it. So it will be display the colors. So from that, so if you think that if the particular class have only that statement that is called abstract class, means that if you don't want to create an instance only for the particular class, means the class contains only the small content of your particular class, and without help of some other class to fulfill the remaining content of the class, then we can't able to create an object for those classes. Those classes must be act as abstract classes. And somebody think that, so what will happen once I'm not remove, I mean I'm using this I'm using this I'm using this keyword abstract. Nothing will happen only unless see that No error message will be displayed. So sorry, that definition is missing. Just I'm going to make it as empty definition because it is a overriding concept. So that, but answer it will be displayed as usual things. See that? But the only thing is, if I'm creating an object for vegetables, no error will be displayed. That is a problem. But actually, vegetable is not filled because it is act as a base class. So vegetables be equal to new vegetables. So this vegetable is a class. Sorry. Just I'm going to compile. No error. Then I'm running. Error means that answer means that the same answer will be displayed. But sorry. Yeah. Here I forgot to use a class. The key I forgot to use abstract. But here we don't have any means that we don't have a proper manipulation of those instance variable, so that there is no use for creating an object for this base class. So that in order to avoid that, we can make though means if you think that for this will not be fulfilled, so that if you think that it will be act as a base class, then you can make it as abstract. So that if you are trying to make a object for an abstract class, then it shows an error message. From that we can clearly state that. So this is a base class. So still it is not. He needs some other class concept to fill. Fill the remaining part of the class and to implement. So like that we can think and to avoid the confusions. Thank you.